I have been noticing Apple billboards that talk about visual intelligence pop up everywhere, so I really wanted to try it out for myself. I did the obvious thing and I walked into an Apple store and I picked up and bought the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hi everyone, this is your AI BFF, and today I'll talk about how visual intelligence works on Apple iPhone. So follow along, and also a sneak peek into the unboxing. Now, I can't wait to unbox this device. On the right, I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which has a bigger 6.9-inch screen, and the one on the left that I'm unboxing is the iPhone 17 Pro with a 6.3-inch screen. Now, Apple packaging is always very clean and minimal, just like all of its devices. And here it is, the stunning cosmic orange color. That is the signature color of this series. Visual intelligence is a smarter way to search. Apple has integrated with ChatGPT, and here I simply pointed my phone at a Kleenex tissue box in front of me, and ChatGPT was able to identify the product. This is AI object detection at play. You can also use the search option on the image to search for the same product online. Here I got a list of the same Kleenex tissue box that's listed across different retail sites. And if I wanted to buy this product, I can simply click on any of these product shopping links. So what I did was I clicked on the Amazon link that took me to the Amazon product page. All I needed to do was add to cart and purchase. Apple is really enabling a faster shopping experience. However, visual search is not a new concept. Google had released this functionality called Google Lens a few years back. Here's how it works. You can take a picture and focus on the product, and Google Lens will also identify the product and pull up the appropriate product links. It's really object detection that's working in the background. And here is the same Amazon link that I can use to go into the Amazon product page, and all I need to do is add to cart and purchase. Another classic example of visual search. I pointed my camera at a plant in front of me, and Apple's visual intelligence via ChatGPT gave me a quick snippet identifying the plant and also a few other details. The second way to visually search goes beyond ChatGPT and pulls up various articles and product links, and this is useful for people who really want to dig deeper. Visual search makes it so much faster for users to search and take action. Now, the latest iPhone device is a beautiful device with its beautiful cosmic orange color, but the visual capabilities are not really impressive. It's really a rehash of what Google did with its lens capabilities many years back. And that is all for today's video. Follow for more.